Hello, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, in our previous video, we have started our topic on important regular expression functions. Okay, and we discussed about the first important regular expression function, that is a match function. Okay, and today in this particular video, we are going to continue our topic on the important regular expression functions. So as I already told you, like there are so many important regular expression functions. So and the second important regular expression function is subfunction. Okay. So before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay. So let's get into this. So in our previous playlist we have discussed about the match function, important regular expression functions, and today we'll see subfunction. So in order to understand this topic, so let's take an example. See whenever you write any address, so what you will do is like address is equal to, we'll give some address. Okay, so what I will do is like number 25 East Anjaneya Street. Okay, see let's take an example. See, address is equal to number 25 East Anjaneya Street. We'll try to run this particular cell. Okay, and now here what I will do is print off regular expression, and here I will try to use subfunction. Okay, see here what I want to do is like instead of street I want to replace with st. Okay, see here I will try to give street, and this one I want to replace with st. From where I want to replace it with, from address. Okay, see here address I have given as 25 East Anjaneya Street, and here I have given print of regular expression subfunction. So here what it will do is instead of number 25 East Anjaneya Street, it will replace street with st. Okay, see here whatever you will give, it will replace with. Okay, see here I want to replace street with st, so that's the reason I have given street here, and here I have given st. From where I have to do it? I have to do it from address. Okay, so now I will try to run this particular cell. So here you can see number 25 East Anjaneya St. So St is also a street is also a street. Okay, so this is how the subfunction works in NLP, and this is the second important regular expression function. Okay, so the coming videos will discuss some more important regular expression functions. Okay, so we have covered match function and we have covered subfunction. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.